Menstrual cups, everything you need to know. First thing you need to do is pick your cup. Now there are smaller sizes for girls and ladies under 30, and it will depend whether you've been pregnant before or whether you have a heavy blood flow. Then you need to trim the stem, as vaginal length varies, so you might need to insert it to see how much to cut off. So wash your hands, get into a comfortable position. You might want to squat, sit, or have one leg on the toilet. So we fold the cup and then you push upwards into the vagina opening and you turn and let go. That's it. You might need to practice. There are many different ways of folding the cup, so you need to find one that works for you, because you fold it to insert it and then it opens up inside the vaginal wall. Now the cup sits quite low, much lower than a tampon. You can see the point of the cup just inside the vaginal canal. So we can see there's the cup, so we're going to fold it, pop it in, turn, release. To take the cup out, you need to have clean hands. Get comfortable and then reach in and squeeze the bottom of the cup to release the seal, and then you pull it out and empty into the toilet. Now you should empty it every 4 to 8 hours, but of course it depends on your blood flow, and then give it a rinse, refold and reinsert. How long can you keep the cup in for? This can be kept in for up to 12 hours, again depending on your flow, and always rinse after 12 hours. Some pick up the knack if it feels uncomfortable, you haven't inserted it properly, or if it pops out, you haven't inserted it properly. You'll get to work out how it feels in your body. If they ever get damaged, you must replace them, but you can swim and sleep and no more buying any sanitary stuff. Great for the planet and your purse.